Hello, my name is Kindson the Genius, and today we continue from step 4 on the Selenium tutorial series step by step. In the previous tutorial, we set up Selenium on Firefox, we recorded a test case, and we ran the test script, and it worked perfectly. Today we are going to export this test script to C#. So now if you open Selenium, you'll see the test case that you recorded. Okay, so at this point you can see a number of things, but more especially you can see this log. So it tells you the various actions that were being carried out. This is not the test script, or in a way it's a kind of script, but this is not what we want. So you can save this. Okay, this is actually a log. So here you have past one. So to export this, you click on this export button. When you click on this export button, you can see language and framework. So you can have C# WebDriver plus MS Text, C# WebDriver plus NUnit Java WebDriver, but in this tutorial we are going to be using C# and we are going to use WebDriver plus NUnit. So now it generates the code. If you look at this code is actually a C# code. So what we are going to do now is to save this file, and I'm going to save it with a name called my test case. So just save as, make sure you save it with the same name. Of course it highlights. I would like to save it in my drive D, and let me create a folder called test cases. Okay, so I created a folder called test cases, and I'm going to save it right there. Okay, so stay on page. Alright, so let's just minimize this. So now if we open that file, I would like to open it. Okay, yeah, this is it. So you can see it's a C# file. So now before we continue on the next step, I would like to explain something to you. Now if you double click it, if you have Visual Studio, it opens in Visual Studio. Alright, so now we are ready for the next step. Now we are going to export this to C#, which is what we've done, and then we are going to import this script into Visual Studio. So let's do it in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.